Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's wig review is from Yolissa Hair. They sent me over this highlight blonde wig, blonde and brownish wig. Everything will be linked down below, the details like the length and density and everything. But this is just going to be a quick install video. I decided to leave it in real time just in case, you know, it'll help beginners who are watching this or just I don't know. I usually speed up all my videos, so I just decided to leave this in real time for my visual learners. So yeah, I'm just using the red can of the Even lace spray, and I only use about 1 or 2 coats. And then with this spray specifically, you have to blow dry it on cool setting on the blow dryer. Do not do warm or hot because it will just not get tacky. So use cool always for this spray in specific. And yeah, just wait till it gets tacky and then put the lace over it and then go over the blow dryer again until it dries, and then cut the lace and do all the stuff that I usually do in all my videos. So yeah, it's just gonna be a nice little watch me video. Left it in real time again just to help those who are visual learners. And yeah, so you'll see the end result at the end of the video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh yeah, let me say that I did not have to do anything to this wig for real. I just slightly plucked the wig. I wish I would have plucked a little bit more, but you know, it's whatever. But I didn't have to color it, I didn't have to curl it, I didn't have to bleach the knots. So I literally just took it out of the box, plucked the hairline a little bit, and then installed it. It came with these beautiful curls in it, and I'm very grateful for that because I don't like styling hair for real. So yeah, I just finger combed them out. I didn't do the curls myself. It came like this, and I just add some slight layers in it so it could lay better and everything, but you'll see that in the video. So I'll stop talking and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Nice.